What is going on, guys? I'm Consumer Tech Review, and today we're going to be unboxing and using a custom Xbox controller. It's going to be epic. I've been very excited for this. You can get these customized from Amazon. They got a ton of different ones for the PS4, PS5, and the Xbox. This is the last generation Xbox, but they're going to have a new one. Hopefully, I'm going to be able to get that one as well. But yeah, if you want to check this out, there's Amazon links below for the US, UK, and Canada. Let's get it open. All right, so this is by Hex Gaming. They basically make a bunch of these really cool custom controllers. I am super excited for this because honestly, of all the tech that I've reviewed, never had a custom controller before. So I think it should be really exciting. It comes in a box just like that, and then popping the top off of it. And then it comes in a cardboard box, it looks like. And then there it is. You guys can't believe how excited I am right now. In here, before we open that up. So these are different styles for like the thumb, what do you call those? Joysticks? Okay, then here it is, guys. I'm gonna go through everything before we, so you can get a 6-month warranty on it. That's pretty cool. A little like manual quick start guide. Here it is. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Oh my, that looks good. This is all really good materials. Got that awesome grippy stuff on there. Got it all in chrome purple right there. We got it silver down here, silver down there. That just looks awesome. All this is in matte black. At the top, we got this really cool pattern with silver everywhere. Dang, that thing looks good. Look at that. Wow, I am absolutely blown away. The quality of this stuff is so cool. Plus, you can get all this awesome chrome stuff, which I love. I love that chrome with the chrome purple down there, matching the top, and the super grippy, rubbery grips right here. Just feels, oh, it just feels awesome. Let's get this thing hooked up to the Xbox Series X in the bedroom, and let's do some gaming. All right, guys, let's get this thing booted up. We got their little logo right there, and there, connected so easily. Just like every other Xbox controller. Let's launch up some BO3 zombies. They also got a nice texture right here. There's like arrows right here that feel really, really nice. Overall, this controller, and especially this, you can see that in the light. This is all rubbery and really grippy. It's just so premium, guys. All right, guys, in game. First of all, the rubber is what feels really, really good. But honestly, how cool this thing looks is really what makes it. I mean, but it feels so much better. It just feels like, I don't know, it feels better. Also, I love this chrome. Just having the chrome down there, especially right here with that purple and all of that, it's just so cool. Now, I think they are coming out with an updated one for the Xbox Series X and S. Now, obviously, this works backward compatibility, basically. So if you have an Xbox One, an Xbox One S, an Xbox One X, or you have an Xbox Series X or a Series S, you can still use this on those, like I am right now. I'm hooking it up to an Xbox Series X. So yeah, this will definitely be my main controller from now on. It's just look, I mean, I love it. It's all purple. It's got the beautiful chrome on it. It's got those gorgeous buttons. It has this side, like, grippy, rubbery material, which I just love. Especially since so many people spend a ton of money, like myself, on like keyboards, mouse for PC gamers. A lot of times, like, console players just play with a normal controller. And it's like, if you're gonna play it a lot and use this a lot, let's make it something special. So that's what the people at Hex Gaming get, and they give you that, like, some of these designs that they have. Definitely check them out. Just look at their Amazon store. They got a ton of designs. But yeah, guys, overall, I mean, oh my God, look at that controller. That is just a beautiful, beautiful controller. Absolutely love it. So yeah, again, if you want to check out any of their controllers, they got a ton of different designs. There's Amazon links below for the US, UK, and Canada. But yeah, I mean, guys, seriously, if you want to upgrade your whole feeling, if you want to upgrade the way your controller looks, people at Hex Gaming, huge shout out to them for sending this out to me. Not at all sponsored. They were just like, hey, you want to check it out? And I was like, absolutely. And all the materials, I mean, this is all soft touch. The matte black down here is all soft touch. It feels better than like the normal stuff that you'll get straight from Microsoft. All of this feels so good. It's like rubbery. And then all of this is very solid, but you get it in that beautiful chrome. If you want to, you can get a lot of different stuff. But all these are just normal, like you would expect from an Xbox controller. You can get all this stuff in like white or black or whatever you want. So cool. But yeah, guys, overall, definitely recommend this if you want a sick Xbox or PS4, PS5 controller. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video and it helped you out, help me out and throw a like below. And if you enjoy content like this, peripheral, keyboards, Xbox Series X, Xbox Series S content, I do a ton of that. So please consider subscribing below. But this was Consumer Tech Review, and I'll see you guys in the next video.